Welcome to renewables.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability.
Welcome to the renewable energy revolution that's reshaping our world in 2025. We're witnessing the most significant energy transformation in human history, where clean power isn't just competing with fossil fuels. It's completely dominating new energy installations. The numbers tell an incredible story. 92.5% of all new power capacity added globally in 2024 came from renewable sources, marking a turning point where clean energy has become the undisputed leader in powering our future. The scale of renewable energy expansion in 2024 shattered every previous record and redefined what's possible in clean energy deployment. Global renewable capacity reached an astounding 40,448 gigawatts, with 585 gigawatts added in just 1 year. That's equivalent to building 585 full-scale nuclear power plants in 12 months. This represents a remarkable 15.1% annual growth rate, demonstrating the accelerating momentum of the clean energy transition. Solar power has emerged as the absolute superstar of renewable energy, accounting for an incredible 77.3% of all renewable energy growth worldwide. The technology's rapid advancement and cost reductions have made it the fastest-growing energy source in history, with China leading the charge by installing about 314 billion watts of new renewable power in 2024, three-quarters of it from solar panels. In the United States, solar generation is forecast to grow by an extraordinary 75% from 2023 to 2025. While solar captures headlines with explosive growth, wind power continues its steady march toward becoming a cornerstone of clean electricity generation. Wind energy contributed 19.3% of the world's new renewable capacity in 2024, with installations growing by 11.1% year over year to reach 1,133 gigawatts globally. The real excitement lies in offshore development, where massive ocean-based wind farms are unlocking unprecedented clean energy potential. Energy storage has emerged as the critical enabler that transforms intermittent renewable sources into reliable, dispatchable clean power around the clock. The battery energy storage market experienced explosive growth, expanding from $5.51 billion in 2023 to $6.99 billion in 2024, with an impressive compound annual growth rate of 26.8% that shows no signs of slowing. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how these storage systems operate. The renewable energy revolution is creating millions of high-quality jobs and transforming regional economies across the globe. Solar energy alone accounts for 2/3 of all renewable energy employment, while wind power contributes approximately 1/5 of clean energy jobs. In the United States, states like Wyoming and Montana are experiencing renewable energy employment growth of 23% and 15% respectively, helping well-paying technical careers to rural communities. Corporate America has become the driving force behind renewable energy deployment, with technology giants and forward-thinking companies signing the largest clean energy purchase agreements in history. Companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta are investing billions in wind, solar, and storage projects because renewables now represent the most cost-effective electricity option in most markets worldwide. The AI boom is accelerating this trend. The renewable energy sector continues to innovate at breathtaking speed, with emerging technologies poised to revolutionize how we generate, store, and utilize clean energy. Green hydrogen is emerging as the clean fuel solution for heavy industries, while enhanced geothermal systems expand beyond traditional volcanic regions. Floating solar installations are solving land use constraints, and agrivoltaics allow farmers to harvest solar panels. Despite record-breaking growth, the renewable energy revolution faces significant infrastructure and regulatory bottlenecks that solutions are rapidly addressing. Germany exemplifies what permitting reform can achieve, with streamlined approval processes increasing permits for onshore wind by 150% since implementing reforms in 2022. Smart grid technologies powered by AI are making it easier to integrate variable renewable sources. The renewable energy revolution is delivering immediate benefits to consumers through lower electricity costs, energy independence opportunities, and participation in the clean energy economy. In most electricity markets worldwide, renewable energy has become the cheapest option available. Homeowners are achieving unprecedented energy independence by combining rooftop solar with battery storage, while the alignment between renewable growth and electric vehicle adoption creates powerful synergies.
Thanks for tuning into the renewables.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode and